Hello, it's Philip Giles here in Michigan, and I'm doing a daily video. And I've been wanting to do this one. This has been on my mind. I was going to do this eventually. Let me know what you think about the foreclosure fiasco. Anytime, I guess, in the history, but specifically, I'm thinking when all the foreclosures hit real hard back in, what was it, 2007, 2008 in the U.S., the United States. That's where I am. And also what you think about the government and how they handled it. And I'll tell you my story and where you think we stand right now, because I don't know that it's much better. But the reason I'm talking about it today is because actually I was talking to somebody during the day today, and actually he's from the UK. He's from England, and he was born and raised there. He still has a little bit of an accent, but he's been here for quite a few years now. I know at least 10 years, I think. And he's got a condo, but he was telling me he's a little bit upside down. And also the way it happened was Sergeant, he didn't want to pay for the over that I do go really good here Southeast Michigan, right? And here, of course, I bought home four, four. So, I bought it, it's affordable, for the monthly payment, no problem. So I built equity, and it went up. They would sell it and put a big down payment on another house. Well, they were giving out mortgages, I don't know when it started, sometime after 2000, no money down. And he was telling me today, actually, that when he went and got his mortgage years ago, they told him, oh, you can get a lot more than that. He's like, I'm glad I didn't, because he said, payment. And the thing is, with the economy going down, if you're out of a job for a while, a year or two, who can make the payment? You get behind, you can get evicted, foreclosed. But my thing is that I don't know what you know about credit default swaps. Leave your comments below. Let's have a discussion about this, because this is a huge deal to me. And I've got a lot of different takes on it. But I know by law what happened was complete fraud and racketeering. And it's interesting because Puerto Rico is RICO, R-I-C-O, is Racketeering Influenced Corrupt Organizations. And that's exactly what the foreclosure fiasco and the bank fiasco was. It was racketeering and it was fraud. And the government allowed it. They could have stopped it, and they could never let it happen. So my take is, because you know what a promissory note is? That's your promise to pay. So your signature when you sign a note, well, what's the note? Our loan, a credit card, you pay for something, you said, hey, don't promise to pay. Well, those are bundled together, sold at the open market at a discount rate. So guess what that is? Because go back to your document agreement, even the fine print. Never says it that they could sell. There's no promise. It says in there to sell your signature at the open market at a discount rate of anything. The thing is, if they do, that is not transferable. You know what I mean by that? If myself, Joe, have an agreement, you'll pay promise to pay you this month, and this month, pay you this month. No, I got an agreement with Jim. I told it to Jim. We'll collect from him. What are you talking about, dude? I got an agreement with you. That's bullshit. Get it? Tell me what you think about it. That's what happened. They took our promise to pay, our signature on had to sell the original, because if you're buying that, you want the original so that you can take it and make money with it. Well, what happens if you go back to your bank right now and say, I want the original promissory note on my home mortgage? And even more importantly, what's supposed to happen when you pay off your house? I don't know if people do it anymore, but people used to pay off their home. What's the bank supposed to give you when you pay off your home? Well, your home is collateral. That's a secured debt. They're supposed to give you the original promissory note, your signature, that when it's paid off, you get it back. They hold the title. You get the title. You're supposed to get everything back, the original. Well, if they sold it, they won't have it. Well, if they don't have it, that's fraud. Now, find it, and it costs a lot of money. So leave your comment below. Let me know what you think about this. What's up with the foreclosure thing? What did the government do? Let me know your thoughts. I'd like to hear it. What's your opinion? What's your experience? And I'll go into more about the government. Because the government allowed it, they could have stopped at any time, but I figure they're in with them. You know, the banks, the government, the feds, SEC, all of it. It's all a mess. You know, people are on Wall Street. They should have been on Washington revolting. You should all revolt against our government, because it's not we the people, by the people, for the people, and that's a topic for another video. I appreciate you. I'll be doing a video every day. Come back and see them. Leave your comments. Like them. Give me your opinion. Give me some topics to video about. You know, I'm going to go with experiences that I had in my life, things that I know about. I want to give you some valuable content every day. I'll give you valuable content. That's my intent. Appreciate you. Have a great day. Over and out.